Have you ever tried to replace an iPhone battery and somewhat made a mistake and something went wrong? The flex connector got chopped from the battery management board. In this video, I'll be showing you how I got it fixed, the new battery that had been damaged while in the process of replacing it with your old battery management board. So this iPhone that I got is from my classmate. She sent it to me for repair. We will be needing soldering stuff, the new battery that is damaged, a phone toolkit. I will be linking some where you can buy this in the description down below. First, I will be opening the iPhone to remove the old battery from the phone and swap out those BMS board with a fixed board. After that, I will be peeling off the sticker from both battery and remove the board using the soldering iron. Be sure you got it the same position like before. After that, before closing it up, I will be doing a quick test to verify that the repair is successful. And we got a red battery. This means we successfully repaired this phone and we will be closing the phone and call it a day. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's free, dude. Bye.